Hey guys, it's design engineer again, and today's video we will be learning together how to use the color wheel. It's not something really comfortable for the new for beginners to understand how to use the color wheel. They want to use the contrasting one and the rest, but in today's video I'll be showing it in a full details how to use the color wheels. Note, when you are using the color wheels, after you've learned how to use it, make sure you know how to blend it as well, like making the brighter or the darker version of it. After I've done this, now you need to go and learn yourself how to use the darker version and the lighter version depending on your concept. That's why you need to feed yourself on good designs. Okay, without much ado, let's get started. Now this is how the color wheel looks like on our pixel lab. And let's go to shape here. This is how it looks like. Can you see? This is how it looks like. But to use color wheels, there's something we call here. We call it monochromatic colors. This is nice for beginners because it's not something really complicated, and what you just need to know is how to understanding the meaning of colors. You just need to understand the meaning of colors. Like red is used for politics, is used for juice, food and the stuff. It's emotion, it's love. Or blue is used for business and the rest. I'll drop a PDF for you guys so that you can read on that. But in this type of colors, the method of selecting using this type of colors, you just need a single color, and you now use the variation of the colors. Like for instance, now you are using this red. We are using red now, and you want to use another color on the designs. The next thing you just do is come to edit like this, and it's either you lighten it or you darken it. Okay, so that's how to use this type of colors in the color wheel. And it now depends on you whether you want this one to be the one that will fill the context, the whole design rather, and this one will be the minute one, or vice versa, depending on your design patterns. Sometimes you need to add tweakings to the colors, but this is a wonderful way of selecting colors. Let's move to the next one. The next one is, let me delete this. The next one is complementary colors. Complementary colors are colors that face another, that are opposite to another. Okay, this type of colors, let me show you in the color wheel. For instance, you are using gradient. Now you click here and we are choosing this purple. That's working to purple. I click on OK. Then you come back here and you go to the purple. Then the one that is facing it. Okay, the one that is facing it. So these are complementary colors. Or let me space them. Let me use them differently. Like this is green. This is green, and let's duplicate it and we edit again. The color that is complementary to this green is purple. So when you are using this type of color, it's always work, and it's used for designing a very vibrant, like you want to design something very bright, you want it to attract, then you can use this type of color, complementary colors. They are okay, they are awesome. You can go and try it out and start using them in your designs. The third one I'll be explaining again is the triadic colors. Triadic colors, these are colors that are evenly spaced. You select 3 colors that are evenly spaced to another. Like in the color wheel now, we have the 12 variations of colors. So once you are choosing one here, then you give it a space of 4, then you choose the second one, you give a space of 4 to choose the third one. That's simply about the color, the triadic colors. It's simple. You can just make the design background that of orange, or if orange is not working, then you use the second one or the third one. So you should be able to manipulate. That's left to you. For instance, now according to this design, you use this orange, this orange, then you use this purple, then the next one you use is the green. Okay, so that's about the triadic colors. And the next one is analogous color. Just like the analog, the wall clock, how it moves, like it moves from 12 to 1 to 12 again. So colors that are moving on the same lines, like they are moving down clockwise or anti-clockwise, that's what is meant by analogous color. And it's good for beginners and even for pros. And there's another one that there's a variation of color that you can use 4, but for beginners it's advisable to use just only 3, just only 2, or monochromatic type of color. Alright guys, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, smash the notification bell, and guys, do comment, and I would like to see your reviews. If you want any other videos, drop them in the comment section, and don't forget to check the description box. I promise you that you are going to love the PDF. Okay, bye.